Hi, today in this video we are going to discuss about the Lucci reduction. For better understanding, please don't skip this video and watch till the end. The Lucci reduction is named after the scientist Jean-Louis Lucci. Here we are going to discuss the Lucci reduction reaction, the mechanism of Lucci reduction and examples. Let's begin. Lucci reduction is the selective organic reduction of alpha beta unsaturated ketones. This is alpha beta unsaturated ketones. It is converted into allylic alcohol, and this is an allylic alcohol. It's sodium borohydride and lanthanide chlorides, mainly of cerium 3 chloride, which is CeCl3, in methanol or ethanol. The Lucci reduction can be conducted chemoselectively towards the ketone, this ketone, in presence of aldehyde. If this R group is aldehyde, the ketone is reduced, or towards the alpha beta unsaturated ketone in presence of non-conjugated ketone. If the R group is non-conjugated ketone, only the alpha beta unsaturated ketone is reduced to form the allylic alcohol. Let's see the mechanism. The first step, the CeCl3 is reacting with sodium borohydride to form HCeCl2, and this HCeCl2 is attached to this oxygen, to this carbonyl group, to make 1,2 addition possible. Here, after attached to this, the bond shifts over here and this bond migrates over here to form the 1,2 addition product. After adding the dilute acid, this is converted into alcohol. This mechanism is taken from the JAKs. Let's see some examples. This is the reactant. You see here the alpha beta unsaturated ketone is present here. We are doing Lucci reduction reaction. This alpha beta unsaturated ketone is reduced to alcohol. Let's see the mechanism. The first step, CeCl3 is reacting with sodium borohydride. This is the reagent for Lucci reduction, which forms the HCeCl2, and this HCeCl2 is added to this oxygen, this carbonyl group, and this bond shifts over here and this bond migrates over here to form the 1,2 addition product. After adding the dilute acid, this is converted to alcohol, and thus the allylic alcohol is obtained, which is the product for Lucci reduction. Let's take this example. This is the alpha beta unsaturated ketone, which is the reactant. We are adding sodium borohydride in presence of methanol. If we add this one, this both group reduced, which forms double bond O is reduced to alcohol, and this is also reduced, double bond is also reduced to form single bond. If we add sodium borohydride, this is of 100%. And if we add sodium borohydride and CeCl3, which is the Lucci reagent, this chemoselectively reduce this alpha beta unsaturated ketone alone to allylic alcohol. Thus, this is a chemoselective reaction. This is taken from JAKs. Let's see another example. Here, the ketone is present over here, and this is added with sodium borohydride and CeCl3 in presence of methanol, which is a Lucci reagent. This ketone is converted to alcohol. This is taken from Journal of Organic Chemistry. Let's see this example. Here the alpha beta unsaturated ketone is present. We are doing Lucci reduction. The Lucci reduction reagent is CeCl3 and sodium borohydride, NaBH4. This ketone is converted to alcohol here, thus forming the allylic alcohol, which is the product for Lucci reduction. This is taken from Organic Letters. Let's see this example. This is the starting material of this reaction. Here the alpha beta unsaturated ketone present over here. We are adding CeCl3 anhydrous in presence of methanol. This ketone is converted to alcohol. This is taken from Journal of Organic Chemistry. Here the ketone alpha beta unsaturated ketone is converted to alcohol in presence of Lucci reagent. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get notified. Stay tuned until the next video. If you have any queries or doubts, please post it in the comment section. Have a good day.